विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमचं सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे सिम्प्लिफाईड केमिस्ट्री यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अल्कोहोल्स, फिनॉल्स आणि इथर्स या टॉपिकचा सध्या अभ्यास करत आहोत. आत्तापर्यंतच्या लेक्चर्समध्ये आपण अल्कोहोल्स, फिनॉल्स आणि इथर्स यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन, नॉमेनक्लेचर या संदर्भात माहिती घेतलेली आहे. आपण अल्कोहोलच्या 2 प्रिपरेशन मेथडसुद्धा पाहिलेले आहेत. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स फ्रॉम अल्किल हॅलाइड अँड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स फ्रॉम अल्किन्स. आता यानंतर आपण पुढच्या मेथड्स पाहणार आहोत. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स अँड दिस मेथड इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स फ्रॉम carbonyl compounds. So first we consider what do we mean by carbonyl compounds. Any organic compound which contains C double bond O group as a functional group in their molecule, such compounds are commonly known as carbonyl compounds. And on the basis of different groups which are attached to this carbonyl group, these carbonyl compounds are classified as aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid and ester. These are the some examples of carbonyl compounds. These carbonyl compounds on reduction by using reducing agent like nickel and palladium and strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminum tetrahydride LiAlH4. These compounds are generally converted into corresponding alcohols. So let us see how the alcohols are prepared from these carbonyl compounds. So there are different types of carbonyl compounds, and some of the carbonyl compounds on a reduction by using nickel platinum as catalyst and lithium aluminum tetrahydride as a catalyst, they are converted into corresponding alcohols. So first we will consider carbonyl compounds as aldehydes. These aldehydes are represented as RC double bond OH. When this carbonyl group is attached to hydrogen atom and one alkyl group or aryl group, then such compounds are called as aldehydes. So when you observe these aldehydes on reduction with nickel or palladium and lithium aluminum tetrahydride, then they are converted into the alcohols, that is RCH2OH. So these alcohols are known as primary alcohols. So in short, aldehydes on catalytic reduction gives us primary alcohols. Similarly, when you consider ketones, in the ketones carbonyl group is attached to 2 alkyl groups, 2 aryl groups or 1 alkyl and aryl group. When such ketones are reduced in presence of catalyst nickel or palladium or strong reducing agent LiAlH4, then this ketone is converted into the alcohols like this. In these alcohols, when you consider the OH group is attached to the carbon atom and that carbon atom is a secondary carbon atom, so we get secondary alcohols from the ketones. So that is, ketones on reduction gives us secondary alcohols. Then carboxylic acids are also carbonyl compounds, and this carboxylic acid, they contains carbonyl group, that is C double bond O group, which is attached to OH group and it is attached to the, that is alkyl group or aryl group. These carboxylic acids on reduction with strong reducing agent LiAlH4, they are converted into the primary alcohols, that is RCH2OH. So carboxylic acids on reduction gives us primary alcohols. And when you consider the esters are also organic compounds which contains carbonyl group in their structure. So in these esters, the carbonyl group, that is C double bond O group, is attached to alkyl groups and alkoxy group. So when you consider reduction of these esters, these reduction esters on reduction gives us the alcohols, that is RCH2OH from this part, and remaining part, that is R-O, is also undergoes reduction, and it gives us the mixture of two alcohols. First one is a primary alcohol, and second type of alcohol. Each depends upon which type of this alkoxy group is attached to this carbonyl group. It is primary, then we get primary alcohol. If such group is secondary, then we get secondary alcohol, and if this group is tertiary group, then we get here tertiary alcohol. So in this way, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, by using reducing agent like nickel and palladium, or for carboxylic acid we require the strong reducing agent. For ester also, that is LiLH4, they gives us the alcohols. Aldehydes on reduction gives us primary alcohols. Ketones on reduction gives us secondary alcohols. Carboxylic acids on reduction gives us primary alcohols. Esters on reduction gives us mixture of two alcohols, in which one part, which is from acid part, gives us primary alcohols, and second part from alkoxy group, it gives alcohols, and the nature of this alcohol is depend upon the type of alkoxy group. Now first we are going to study here preparation of alcohols from aldehydes. So what is aldehydes? Aldehydes are the carbonyl compounds in which the carbonyl group is attached to alkyl group, aryl group and hydrogen atom. In general, when these aldehydes are reacted with hydrogen in presence of nickel or palladium as catalyst, or by using lithium aluminum tetrahydrate as a catalyst, then they are converted into primary alcohols. In general, when you consider RC double bond OH, means they are known as aldehydes. Aldehydes on reduction, by using these two different reducing agent. What do we mean by reduction? Reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen atoms from this H2 molecule. These hydrogen atoms are added. One is added to carbonyl group and one is added to oxygen atom, and we get the product RCH2OH. Here also we get RCH2OH, and such alcohols are known as primary alcohol. When you consider what is the actual chemical reaction takes place in aldehydes during the reduction, when you consider this carbonyl group of aldehyde is converted here into CH2OH group. That is the change takes place during the reduction of these aldehydes. Means one hydrogen is added to carbon atom, so CH becomes CH2, and one hydrogen is added to oxygen, so this O, oxygen, is now converted into the OH group, and we get the primary alcohols. So we write in short, during reduction of these aldehydes, the C double bond OH group is converted into CH2OH group, and always we get here primary alcohols from the reduction of these aldehydes. Let us see how the addition of hydrogen takes place across the carbonyl group of these aldehydes. So we represent aldehydes as RC double bond OH. When they on reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen atoms or hydrogen molecules. Then this reduction takes place in the presence of catalyst like nickel or palladium or LiAlH4, then how the reaction takes place? Out of these two hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen atom gets attached to the carbonyl group, then carbon oxygen double bond becomes single bond, and from this there is formation of oxygen and hydrogen bond. So we get here the product, that is R. Then one hydrogen is added to this carbon atom, so this CH group becomes CH2, and one hydrogen is added to oxygen atom, so it will be OH. So we get here primary alcohol. So in this way we can convert aldehyde into corresponding primary alcohol, which is having equal number of carbon atoms as that of aldehydes. Now we consider one example here. So example is HCHO, this compound commonly known as formaldehyde. This formaldehyde on reduction means addition of hydrogen molecule in presence of catalyst, suppose nickel or palladium, then this CHO group is converted into CH2OH. And when you consider HCH2, that is nothing but CH3. HCH2 is nothing but CH3, and here is OH. So we get here methanol. This formaldehyde is also known as methanol. IUPAC name of formaldehyde is methanol. So in this way formaldehyde gives us methanol, which is having only one carbon atom. Another example we consider here, CH3 CHO, that is known as acetaldehyde, or it is also known as it contains two carbon atom, so it is known as ethanol. Ethanol on reduction means addition of hydrogen molecule in presence of nickel or palladium. This CHO group is now converted into the CH2OH group, so we get here CH3. Now CHO is converted into CH2OH, so we get here alcohol whose name is ethyl alcohol, or it is known as ethanol. So in this way we can convert aldehydes into corresponding primary alcohols by using reducing agent like nickel, palladium or LiAlH4. Now second method, that is by reduction of ketones. What is ketones? Ketones are carbonyl compounds generally represented as RC double bond OR. This ketone on reduction, that is addition of hydrogen by using catalyst nickel or palladium and LiAlH4, the reaction takes place in such a way that one hydrogen atom is attached to carbonyl carbon atom, double bond is converted to single bond, and oxygen is bonded with this hydrogen atom. Out of these two hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen atom is carbonyl carbon and one hydrogen atom is added to the oxygen atom of this carbonyl group, and we get the product here R. Now O is converted into OH, then carbon is bonded with hydrogen atom, and we get here the compound, that is alcohol. And in this alcohol, when you consider the OH group is attached to CH group, and by classification this alcohol is a secondary alcohol. So in this way ketones on reduction with reducing agent like nickel palladium or LiAlH4, they gives us secondary alcohol. For example, when you consider ketone like CH3C double bond OCH3, this is the acetone. This acetone in IUPAC name system, it is named as propane 2-ONE, as it contains 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, so it is a propane, and second carbon atom is a carbonyl carbon atom, so it is named as propane 2-ONE. It is on reduction, means addition of hydrogen molecule, means addition of 2 hydrogen atom. According to general reaction, 1 hydrogen atom is added to carbon atom of carbonyl group, and second hydrogen atom is bonded with oxygen atom, and in between this carbon and oxygen bond, double bond, it is converted into the single bond. So we get here the compound that is CH3 CHOH CS3, and this compound is named as propane 2-OL, as OH group is present to the second carbon atom, or we say it is as an isopropyl alcohol. So it is a secondary alcohol. So in this way we can convert any ketone into corresponding alcohol. Then we consider here next example like this. This is another ketone. In this ketone, one methyl group and one ethyl group is bonded to carbonyl carbon atom. So in common name system, we take alphabetical sequence of this group. So it is ethyl. Second one is a methyl group. So it is ethyl methyl ketone. It is a common name. And in IUPAC name system, we write the name of this compound as lowest number is given to the carbonyl carbon, and the numbering started from this left hand side. So we get the compound whose name is butane 2-ONE, and this compound on reduction means addition of hydrogen molecule in presence of catalyst like nickel or palladium. The C double bond O group here, that is the carbonyl group, is now converted. Let us see. We write first CH3, then it is CHOH by addition of 1 hydrogen to carbonyl carbon and 1 hydrogen to oxygen atom of this carbonyl group. So we get here the compound CH3 CHOH CH2 CH3. Now when you see the changes takes place in the functional group is C double bond O group of this ketone is now converted into the CHOH group. So this change you should be noted, that is carbonyl group is converted into the secondary alcoholic group. So we get the compound whose name we have to write here. We give number from the chain, from the end of carbon chain which is nearest to the OH group. So it is butane 2-OL. So consider what is the shortcut. Butane 2-ONE is converted into butane 2-OL. By which reaction? That is by reduction. What are the changes takes place? The carbonyl group, that is C double bond O group, is converted into the CHOH group. What type of alcohol is formed here? From ketone we get the secondary alcohol always. The next and third method of preparation of alcohols, that is by reduction of carboxylic acids. So what do we mean by carboxylic acids? The carboxylic acids are the compounds in which C double bond OH group is attached to alkyl group or aryl group, then such compounds are called as carboxylic acid. When you observe this carboxylic acid, in this carboxylic acid, the C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group, is there. And when we convert this carbonyl group into the CH2 group, then we get here the alcohols. So how the reaction takes place, let us see. These are carboxylic acid. When this carboxylic acid is treated with strong reducing agent LiAlH4 and then by with acid, then it is acid catalyzed reaction, then we get here the compound, that is RCH2OH. So this C double bond O group is again converted into here the CH2 group. So we get here obviously primary alcohols. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड मध्ये असणारा जो सी डबल बॉन्ड OH ग्रुप जो आहे, म्हणजे कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप आहे COOH, त्याचं कन्व्हर्जन कशामध्ये होतं, CH2OH मध्ये होतं. म्हणजे मिळणारे अल्कोहोल्स आपल्याला असणार आहेत प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स. सो इन दिस वे वी कॅन कन्वर्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड इनटू द प्रायमरी alcohols. So we consider example. For example, when you consider the carboxylic acid as HCOOH, this acid is commonly known as formic acid as it contains only one carbon atom. Corresponding hydrocarbon is methane, so it is also named as methanoic acid. This formic acid or methanoic acid is reduced by using reducing agent LiAlH4 in presence of acid. Then we get here H. Now according to reaction, C double bond O group is converted into CH2. So we write here CH2OH. And when you consider this CH2, it is nothing but CH3OH. So we get here methanol, or we say it is a methyl alcohol as a common name. So in this way, formic acid on reduction with strong reducing agent LiAlH4, it is converted into corresponding alcohol, that is methanol, which is also primary alcohol. Second example, when you consider here like this, CH3COOH, this acid is well known to you. It is an acetic acid as it contains two carbon atoms, so we write name of this acid as ethanoic acid. And when it is reacted or when it is undergoes reduction by using strong reducing agent LiAlH4 lithium aluminum tetrahydrate and second H3O, that is acid, then here also C double bond O group is now converted into the CH2 group. So we get the compound, that is CH3 CH2 OH. So here C double bond O group is converted into CH2 group, OH as is. It is the alcohol which contains two carbon atoms, so it is in IUPAC name system named as ethanol, or in common name system it is named as ethyl alcohol. तर अशा प्रकारे कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडची जेव्हा आपण लिथियम ॲल्युमिनियम टेट्राहायड्रेट या स्ट्रॉंग रिड्युसिंग रिएजंट बरोबर रिॲक्शन करतो, तेव्हा कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचं रिडक्शन होऊन आपल्याला मिळणार जे अल्कोहोल असतं ते प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल असतं. प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलमध्ये असणाऱ्या कार्बनची संख्या ही कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडमध्ये असणाऱ्या कार्बनच्या संख्ये एवढीच असते. इथं आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे की कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडचं नेहमीच प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन होतं. या रिॲक्शनमध्ये आपण जो वापरलेला रिड्युसिंग एजंट आहे LiLH4 हा एक्सपेन्सिव्ह आहे, म्हणजे हा महाग आहे, परवडणारा नाही, आणि म्हणून याला आपल्याला रिप्लेस केलं पाहिजे, आणि म्हणून त्यासाठी अल्टरनेटिव्ह मेथड वापरली जाते. त्या मेथडला म्हणतो आपण कमर्शियल मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स फ्रॉम दिस कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिड. तर ती मेथड काय आहे ते आता आपण पाहूया. सो वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर कमर्शियल मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स फ्रॉम कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिड. आता आपण पाहिलं की कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिडचं जेव्हा आपण रिडक्शन करतो बायझिंग LiLH4 तेव्हा आपल्याला करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल मिळतं. पण या मेथडमध्ये जो आपण रिड्युसिंग एजंट वापरतो LiLH4 हा एक्सपेन्सिव्ह आहे आणि कमर्शियली तो परवडणारा नसतो, आणि म्हणून कमर्शियली आपल्याला कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिडचं अल्कोहोलमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन करण्यासाठी अल्टरनेटिव्ह मेथड आवश्यक आहे. आणि ती मेथड अशी आहे, कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिडची रिॲक्शन अल्कोहोलबरोबर केली जाते आणि इस्टर होतं, म्हणजे फर्स्ट स्टेप इज इस्टरिफिकेशन आणि सेकंड स्टेप इज अ रिडक्शन. सो विच इज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप, इट इज अ इस्टरिफिकेशन अँड सेकंड स्टेप इज अ अल्कोहोल. व्हॉट इज इस्टरिफिकेशन? द रिॲक्शन ऑफ कार्बॉक्सिलिक ॲसिड विथ alcohol to form ester is known as esterification reaction, and when the ester is formed, this ester undergoes reduction and it gives us alcohols, mixture of alcohols. So let us consider general reaction. Carboxylic acids are generally represented as RCOOH. When they are reacted with alcohol, we say as R-OH. Then they are converted into the corresponding ester, that is RC double bond O R dash, by loss of water molecule. This reaction is a reversible reaction, and when this ester is formed here, this ester is reduced by using reducing agent. Then what happens here, RC double bond O group is converted as carboxylic acid into CH2OH group, so we get primary alcohol. So alkyl group is taken from carboxylic group, so primary alcohol is obtained, and which is corresponding to the acid taken. Plus we get here another alcohol, that is here R dash, one hydrogen is remaining, so we get here the another alcohol, that is R dash OH, and the type of this alcohol is depends upon which type of alkyl group is taken here in the esterification reaction. So this method is nothing but commercial method of preparation of these alcohols from the ester. From the carboxylic acid. So we consider one example here. Let us consider acetic acid. What is acetic acid? It is CH3COOH. When it is reacted with methyl alcohol, then first step is a formation of ester, which is known as esterification reaction. In this reaction, what happens? From this COH group and OH group, water molecule is eliminated, and we get the compound, that is CH3C double bond O OCH3 plus H2O. So name of this compound, as methyl group is attached to the acetate group, so it is methyl acetate. And in second step, what happens? This methyl acetate is reduced by using normal reducing agent like nickel, platinum or palladium or any nickel. Then we get here this CH3CO group is now converted into CH3CH2. C double bond O group is now converted into CH2OH group. So we get here ethyl alcohol, and this OCH3 group is converted into the corresponding alcohol, that is methanol or methyl alcohol. And this method is nothing but commercial method of preparation of alcohols from the carboxylic acids, because in this method there is no need of the expensive reducing agent, that is LiAlH4. So instead of this we can use here the cheapest reducing agent, that is nickel or palladium. So in this way we can convert the carboxylic acid into the corresponding alcohols. तर आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण प्रामुख्याने कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स म्हणजे अल्डिहाइड्स, कीटोन्स आणि कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड या तीन कंपाउंडचं अल्कोहोलमध्ये कशा प्रकारे कन्वर्ट केलं जातं किंवा अल्कोहोल्स कशा प्रकारे प्रिपेअर केले जातात याची आपण माहिती पाहिलेली होती. थोडंसं आपण रिवाइज करूया. अल्डिहाइड्समध्ये असणारा जो C+O ग्रुप आहे त्याचं रूपांतर CHOH ग्रुपमध्ये होऊन आपल्याला प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स मिळतात. कीटोन्समध्ये असणारा जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आहे C+O त्याचाही कन्व्हर्जन CHOH ग्रुपमध्ये होऊन आपल्याला सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल्स मिळतात. कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडमध्ये असणारा कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुपमधला C+O हा ग्रुप जो आहे त्याचं रूपांतर CH2 मध्ये होऊन आपल्याला करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स मिळतात. त्यावेळेस आपण LiAlH4 हा स्ट्रॉंग रिड्युसिंग एजंट वापरत असतो. पण LiAlH4 हा एक्सपेन्सिव्ह असल्यामुळं आपल्याला कमर्शियली कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडपासून अल्कोहोल तयार करण्यासाठी अल्टरनेट मेथड वापरली जाते. आणि त्या मेथडमध्ये कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडचं पहिल्यांदा अल्कोहोलबरोबर रिॲक्शन करून इस्टर तयार होतो आणि इस्टरचं मग नॉर्मल रिड्युसिंग एजंटबरोबर रिडक्शन होऊन आपल्याला अल्कोहोल मिळतं. या मेथडमध्ये जर आपण पाहिलं तर अल्डिहाइड्सपासून आपल्याला प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल्स मिळतात, कीटोन्सपासून आपल्याला सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल्स मिळतात, कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडपासून सुद्धा आपल्याला प्रायमरी अल्कोहोलच मेन प्रोडक्ट म्हणून मिळत असतात. तर ही मेथड प्रामुख्याने टर्शियरी अल्कोहोल्स तयार करण्यासाठी उपयोगी पडत नाही. सो reduction of carbon compound is only suitable for preparation of primary alcohols from aldehydes, secondary alcohols from ketones, primary alcohols from carboxylic acids, and it is not suitable for preparation of tertiary alcohols from the carbonyl compound. This is the most important point of this method. मला खात्री आहे की तुम्हाला आजचा व्हिडिओ नक्की आवडला असेल. धन्यवाद.